Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to send crypto from Zaman Wallet to Coinbase in 2025. Whether you're new to crypto or just need a quick refresh, this step-by-step guide will have you transferring assets like a pro. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both the Zaman Wallet app installed on your device and a verified Coinbase account. Zaman is a user-friendly wallet for XRP and other cryptos, and Coinbase is one of the most reliable exchanges out there. Always double-check that your accounts are secure with two-factor authentication enabled. Step 1. Open your Zaman Wallet app and log in. Once you're in, navigate to the wallet that holds the crypto you want to send. For example, if you're dealing with XRP, select that from your asset list. Next, hit the Send or Transfer button. You'll need to enter the recipient's address, so don't close the app yet. Now, switch over to your Coinbase account. Go to your wallet section, select the same crypto, say XRP, and copy the deposit address. Pro tip: double-check the address to avoid any costly mistakes, as crypto transactions are irreversible. Back in Zaman, paste the Coinbase address into the recipient field. Enter the amount you want to send, making sure to leave enough for any network fees. Review everything carefully, then confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation screen, hit approve, and you're good to go. Once the transaction is initiated, it might take a few minutes to a few hours to show up on Coinbase, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your transaction history in both apps to track it. And that's it, you've successfully sent crypto from Zaman to Coinbase. Remember, always stay vigilant about security, and if you're unsure about fees or limits, check the latest updates for 2025. If this helped you, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.